All right, here's an update on the AGV helmet. Still haven't repaired that yet. However, I've been working on the Comm setup. So, trying not to make a mess here. That's the Comm, the mic. Put the mic in the inside, internal to face the chin guard. And then, there we go. And this is how I did it. Basically just ran it all there along the edge. I had to use a razor to cut it out. And then I used plastic and just folded it up and trimmed it to create the trough in there inside. So, and then just used RTV to cover it all up once I had it all mounted inside there. So the RTV did use a lot. I would have rather just laid it in there, but I was afraid it would move around. So RTV that. This is still, I could pull it out if I wanted to. That's the side that no one will see, and this is the side that you will see. So it sits there perfectly right in front of the mouth. So should work. The only thing I really need to work on now is the repair to the damage, which the goal is to use, where's it at? There we go, JB Weld. I'm gonna use 2 of these. I'm gonna grind a flat surface on this side and a flat surface on that side, and then drill a hole through here, and drill a hole through there, and kind of just lay it in like this with the JB Weld. Obviously going through that piece there. And I think that should hold. And if it doesn't, it was junk because the AGV does not support them. It was junk anyway, so I don't recommend, I own 2 of them. I do not recommend the AGV module helmets for this reason alone. They're both in very good shape. Maybe a year and a half old. To be fair, I put about 25,000 miles on that helmet. Lots of use. They're not made to last. And for $850, I would have been much happier with a $200 helmet that failed than an $800 helmet. So very disappointing. So anyways, this is the modification here. Slowly but surely, tomorrow I should have this portion. I should have a video on this portion. That's it.